Good evening, guys. We are here in one of the Jollibee branches in Davao City, particularly right here in Jollibee Maha, and we are here to feature its unique spectacle, one of its unique design, which is its Jollibee signage is put on a mini hill. That's why I call this Jollywood. It's very nice. It's like the one signage in Hollywood signage in LA, California. It's a very nice signage. It's a very nice design being put up by the owner of this particular Jollibee branch in Maha, which is two-story Jollibee branch here in Maha. It's located at the junction of Gym Village right here in Maha, in front of Central Warehouse Club and Cebuana Library here, as you can see. Kudos to the landscaper for a wonderful job of putting a Jollywood sign on top of a mini hill, which is why I call this Jollywood right here in Ma. And actually, they exerted really effort with this design. They put a mini garden inside, and they fenced it so that no one can get inside. And one of their staff, if they allow it to get inside, will actually can climb over there. There's a mini stairs there, and could check over the Jollywood signage over there to clean it or to see if one of the bulbs is malfunctioning. Also, they put the famous Chicken Joy billboard right there beside. So if you happen to pass by Maa and you're hungry, you can actually go here, take a bite, and if you want to take a video or photo, you can get out of the resto and take a photo or video of this signage, Jollywood signage, placed on a mini hill right here in Barangay Maa, Davao City. What makes this Jollywood branch awesome is the fact that it has also a wide parking space. So if you brought along your car, you can actually park here without problem. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a great day. Bye.